blueberry bubbles too. Candles, balls, and candy sticks, so cool, so blue. Yellow, yellow, sunny, bright, lemon candy cheer. Banana sweets and yellow balls, let's all shout it clear. Green, green, giggle fun, minty bubbles play. Jelly frogs and bouncing balls, greens are back today. Purple, purple, grape delight, small candies floating round. Marshmallow dreams and purple balls, in the tub we found. Pink, pink, bunny hop, cotton candy sky. Marshmallow hearts and pink beach balls, watch them bounce up high. Orange, orange soda pop, jelly slices sweet. Lollipops and bouncy balls, orange can't be beat. White, white, snowy, bright, marshmallows soft and round. Pearl jellies and snowball balls, white fun all around. Black, black, licorice fun, shiny beans and more. Chocolate jellies, bouncy balls, black we can't ignore. Gray, gray, glitter shine, jelly cubes so neat. Rock candies and bouncing balls, gray's a special treat. Light blue, icy cool, cotton candy swirl. Shiny beans and bouncing balls, blue like ocean pearl. Light pink, rosy sweet, jelly hearts that twirl. Lollipops and bouncy balls, pink for every girl. Brown, brown, cocoa warm, chocolate balls delight. Jelly cubes and lollipops, brown is such a sight. Red and blue, yellow too, green, purple, pink for you. Orange, white, and black are here, gray and light blue too. Brown and light pink, join the crew. Rainbow bath for me and you. Clap your hands, we've learned today colors in a candy way. Thanks for joining Bath Time Fun. See you next time, everyone.